Good day, everyone. It's a new day in the world's financial markets. Today is December 4th, 2025, and this is part number one. Part number one, we discussed the general view of the markets, gold and equities, U.S. equities, that is, and we shed some light on where we think those markets are headed in the near future. As usual, we start with gold. This is the daily chart of gold. The yellow line, each bar is, or each candle is 1 day. The yellow is the 50-day exponential moving average, key indicator when the markets are bullish and uptrending like gold is on the intermediate and long-term charts. When that's the case, the 50-day EMA becomes paramount, and we use it to gauge entry and also health of the market. So it's uptrending, market is healthy. We will use the 50-day EMA to buy. Support starts at 4,015 on the XAU. That's where we close all our short positions. However, as far as buying long for a swing trade, a trade that stays with us from days to weeks, would like to be as close as possible to this low that we hit on the 28th of October. That low was 38.86. So starting 3,900, okay, right about here, we will enter long. We will start to take long positions for swing trade on XAU. As far as resistance, it's been with us for a while, and we have been using it to sell the middle of this candle, the middle of the 21st of October. The middle of this channel or that candle is 42.27 on the XAU. That's where we start selling the XAU, which could try and attempt to rise towards the high. All this area is resistance on the XAU. We'll be ready to fight and sell into this zone. We don't see a new high this year. Very, very unlikely. Anything is possible, but unlikely. Gold, after it rallies and then corrects like it did, tends to go sideways for about 3 months minimum. This has been the history of gold and how it moves. It needs a break. It needs to take a break, right? Before it can mount another rally, if it does. So you can see lately gold has been moving in what we call a sideways fashion. Every time it tries to rally, it gets sold. Every time it drops, it gets bought. It's typical sideways, buy low, sell high kind of market, and it's been trading within its average true range, which, by the way, now is 70 points a day from high to low. So if this continues, we don't expect gold to eclipse that. We expect everyday gold to stay within it. So gold should technically today stay within 70 points. So less than 70 points from high to low. This is based on the last 9 days. So unless gold drops to 3,900 for us to go long or rallies above 42.27, there's not much to do from the standpoint of swing trading, the trade that stays with us from days to weeks. And as far as today, how we trade, we'll come back at 9 a.m. and discuss that later. Let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ bullish, uptrending, continues its march towards the all-time high of 26,250 or so. NASDAQ and S&P beautifully defended the support zone. They went into it, deep into it, as a matter of fact, but then came out of it like champions, and now they're on the rise. 3 more weeks left in this year or so. We don't see any change, and this has been very healthy uptrend on the intermediate and long-term charts. And given how profit taking took place and we corrected below the 50-day EMA and then came out of it, now the market has done what it needs to do to refuel and reset itself and march towards the all-time highs is where we think it's going to go. We're long NASDAQ. We've been long. We'll stay long until about 26,000. So we will only close our long. We will not short equities market. NASDAQ moves within 475 points. And only if it drops to 24,830 or so for the swing trade, we will buy. We'll buy willing to hold days or weeks. So 24,800. As far as how we trade today, we'll know by 9 a.m. what direction we'll be trading based on the data analysis. Okay, we'll come back by 9. But for now, we will close our long position. We're still long above 26,000. We will buy, add to the position or rebuy at 24,835 or so. That's on the NASDAQ. We'll take a quick look on the S&P. Very similar chart. We'll buy S&P at around 6,700 for the swing trade. We'll keep it with us days or weeks if we have to. And we believe the S&P is headed towards the all-time high, if not higher, around 69.22. It's only 70 points away, and it's about 1% or so. Very much doable from now till the end of the year. As a matter of fact, it could happen in one day. So we'll stay long S&P and NASDAQ. We're mostly long NASDAQ. We're not long S&P, but we're very bullish. S&P moves within 82 points a day. NASDAQ moves within 475 points a day. This is based on the last 9 days, average move from high to low. That's what I have for now. It's a game of patience and waiting. As far as today, how we trade today, we will have to wait till about 9 a.m. We gather data, we analyze the data using historical models and predictions, and we'll decide which way we'll trade the market for today and today only. So until that time, I wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you.